Hello everyone, welcome to Research Hub. Imagine turning your messy notes into stunning mind maps and interactive visuals in seconds. Sounds crazy? With NotebookLM plus Gemini, it's actually possible. No more boring notes, no more static diagrams. With NotebookLM mind maps and Gemini, you can transform information into something you can actually see and explore. Let's start. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 3 powerful workflows that can transform your basic notebook mind maps into visually stunning, next-level diagrams. Right now, you're probably using mind maps to break down a topic and organize your ideas, and they do a great job at giving you structure. But when you actually look at them, they often feel plain and lack that visual impact. So in this video, we're going to take that same basic mind map and upgrade it into something far more visual, something that looks clean, engaging, and professionally designed. The process is actually very simple, but the impact it creates is huge. Let's jump right in. First, we'll create a new notebook and enter our topic, in this case, how AI works in education. Once the system generates the sources, we'll bring them into our notebook. Next, we head over to the Studio section and create a mind map. After it's ready, click to open it, and you'll see it lays out the main concepts, things like stages of memory, how memory functions, and why we forget. So the organization is solid and everything is structured nicely, but visually it still looks pretty basic and not very engaging. Next, we'll expand the different branches to reveal more details where needed, and once everything looks good, we'll export the mind map as a PNG image. After that, we'll switch over to Gemini for the next step. Before doing anything, upload your image first. Make sure image generation is turned on and thinking mode is enabled. After that, paste in the prompt. I'll include it in the description, but here's the idea behind it. We're transforming the mind map into a radial layout, where everything revolves around one central concept, and branches extend outward from it. Each major branch highlights a key idea, and within those, smaller sub-branches break the topic down into more detailed points. For the design, we'll use a consistent color scheme so everything looks clean, organized, and visually appealing. Each branch is assigned its own distinct color, and all the elements within that branch follow the same theme for consistency. We also add simple icons to each section, making the map easier to scan and understand at a glance. When it comes to the content, every node includes a short title along with a quick supporting line, so the information is easy to read without feeling overwhelming. These are the key elements you can adjust based on the visual style or look you're going for. Now let's take a look at the result. The entire structure has been transformed into a clean, radial design, where everything revolves around a central idea and each branch is clearly defined. Within those branches, smaller nodes break the information down into more detailed points, making it easier to understand. Each section follows its own color theme, includes simple icons, and maintains a consistent design throughout. Overall, this gives us a much more visually engaging and polished mind map compared to what NotebookLM produces on its own. And the best part is, by adjusting the prompt, you can completely change the style of the output. You can go for a clean and professional look, something more creative and design-focused, or even a layout that feels more like a visual story. So whether you're creating something for a presentation, content creation, or just for learning, you can easily customize the mind map to fit your purpose. In this next workflow, we're going to take the entire notebook and turn it into a process-based diagram or flowchart. First, we'll create a new notebook and set the topic to How to Learn AI Skill. Once the system generates the sources, we'll import them into the notebook, and that's all we need to do inside NotebookLM for now. Next, we'll switch over to Google Gemini. Click the plus icon, select the NotebookLM option, and then choose the notebook we just created. Now the full notebook is available inside Gemini. At this point, we again select the Create Images option and paste in our prompt. I'll include the full prompt in the description, but the main idea is simple. We're asking it to convert the entire notebook into a step-by-step flowchart. This means the information gets structured into a clear sequence with arrows, stages, and decision points where needed. We also organize everything into separate phases so the process becomes easy to understand from start to finish. If you look at the result, you'll see how well it's structured. The content is divided into 3 distinct phases, each highlighted with its own color. Inside each phase, the steps are clearly laid out with short explanations underneath. There's also a proper directional flow, so you can easily follow the process step by step, including any decision points along the way. One important thing to remember is that this works best when your notebook already contains a clear step-by-step structure, because that's what allows Gemini to turn it into a clean, organized flowchart. For this third workflow, we're taking the mind map we already built and converting it into an interactive version. Inside Gemini, we upload the mind map image, and then we use a prompt that transforms it into an interactive style layout. We specify things like a clean design, light background, structured formatting, and simple geometric shapes to keep everything organized. I'll share the full prompt in the description. One key change here is that instead of selecting Create Images, we switch to the Canvas mode. This is what enables the interactive experience. Once it's generated, you'll see a clean radial structure with the main concept placed at the center and all branches evenly arranged around it. Each section is color-coded, making it easy to separate ideas like learning principles, skill development stages, and common learning barriers. But the real difference is how it behaves. When you click on any section, it opens into a focused view. For example, selecting Rapid Skill Acquisition expands into a detailed breakdown with a title, a short explanation, and even supporting resources. And as you interact with individual nodes, the rest of the map fades into the background, so your attention stays focused only on the section you're exploring. So instead of just being a static visual, it becomes a fully interactive mind map you can explore step by step. And that's it. 3 simple workflows that transform basic mind maps into something far more visual, structured, and interactive. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.